new vlog. We are going to downtown today, and I guess this is my first tour visit to city visit downtown. Yeah, in San Antonio. Right? I am doing this video in English because those who don't know Bengali, some of my friends are telling that we are not able to understand your video. So make your video in English. So maybe my pronunciation and some of the English words may go wrong, but I will try my best. And Krishna, I guess, want to check the mailbox.
This is the mail room where we can check mail or letters of our housing. We need to open the lock by giving password, and then we can check our mails. Government mail comes through USPS, which is none other than United States Postal Services. So we have 2 mail rooms in our society. Today's climate is fantastic. Yesterday it was raining in the evening. We took this umbrella, and this umbrella was gifted by one of our new friend Shrestha'r. Thank you, Shrestha'r, for the umbrella. From our house, we need to walk half a mile to get a bus to downtown. So let's walk. We reach to the bus stop, and 96 and 97, both of the buses will go to downtown. But unfortunately, we missed the 97 number bus.
We missed the bus.
By 2 minutes.
Not by 2 minutes, just 1 minute actually.
So we thought, let's do some photo session. Meanwhile, finally we boarded to the next bus. Now we need to swipe our card for the tickets. But it's a good news today. All bus rides are free for the Halloween festival. We just boarded to the bus, and today it's free, so we do not have to pay anything for.
There's some celebration.
They had some celebration. Hopefully, maybe Halloween.
I think this is the second time. Whenever we get into a bus, it's free for us. Yeah.
We just.
It's the second time.
It's the second time in bus, right? So yeah, first time was also free, but that was not a celebration. The machine was not working, so the ride was free.
Like, just for us, that's all.
Yes. So after 11 minutes, it's going to start. So the bus will take more than 1 hour to reach downtown. Then I can see the river walk. So till then, I'm in the mood and I'm seeing outside. It's amazing weather. Can't express it. We are about to reach to downtown now, and now we can see the old city of San Antonio. There are churches, there are old buildings. Maybe next day we will explore the downtown city and the old buildings and the museum. So for today we are specifically going for the river walk. So
We reached to downtown, so we are moving towards river walk. Yeah, it's beautiful.
most of the huge buildings are either hotels or banks here. So after a month or 2 months, after 2 months, I'm seeing buildings like this. Otherwise, I am staying little far from the main town. So yeah, it's amazing. Oh, see, that is Majestic Theatre. So some concert was going on in Majestic Theatre, so there was a huge line. Maybe next time we will also come for some concert. So let's walk now, and we were enjoying our walk. So I was asking Krishna that how was your experience in Austin? If you can compare that. Oh, see that car! Oh my God, it's so nice. Actually, I stopped there for 2 minutes and I was watching this car. Then, after holding my breath, I move on to the next part. Yeah, see, those are the horses. Just like Kolkata, near to Victoria, here also they have horses chariot for the ride for the customers. Those who comes from different states, or maybe they stay in Antonio, they come to downtown for a great evening. So yeah, they are amazing. And I guess in the evening they will light up all the chariots, so it will look very nice. And it is looking very nice actually. So we are waiting in the signal to cross. So once the signal get green, we can cross. Oh, we need to take right for the river walk. So after crossing the road, we are just walking. And below this Majestic Theatre, there are many beautiful shops. Oh my God, see this beautiful tree. Oh yeah. I just feel that I'm walking near Grand Hotel Kolkata. So tell me in the comments below if you feel the same thing by seeing the video.
Echoing step on the forest floor opens a world through an ancient door. The silence alive, yet brimming with sound. In the arms of solitude, I am found. Oh, whispering pines, sing me your tune. Caught in the rhythm.
Just check out this Chinese art, wooden art. It's so nice. Maybe the picture didn't came so bright, but actually it is very nice. খুব নিখুঁত ভাবে কাজ করা, যেটাকে বাংলায় বলে, খুব সুন্দর লাগছিল। It seems all of San Antonio came down to celebrate the Halloween week here. So it's little crowded, but it's fun.
So we have to go to.
So now we are going towards the river walk, and finally
we reached to river walk, I guess. Yay! Reached river walk. Ta-da!
So after some photo session, we are now going down to enjoy our walk. It's a very old city, so সবকটা জিনিস যেন একটু পুরনো ছিল। হিস্ট্রিটা ভালো করে জানতে হবে, then I can give you more information about that. So till then, let's walk beside the river and enjoy the moment.
Secrets untold, carrying tales only the forest holds. Moonlight spills through the velvet dark, etching patterns
boat ride is so nice. This boat ride may cost around $18 approx to take a ride. I think when it's evening time is very good for this boat ride because all the lights get on and the view is very nice.
So we are here. So there's a map. I think we are here.
So now we are going to souvenir shop to explore something, and here we find some beautiful things which we can gift to friends and family. The cost a little high price, what I felt, because the same thing if you see in Amazon or somewhere else, you will find it little cheap. Because as it's a tourist spot, so maybe the cost is little high for all the things. But yeah, there are some cute things which we can gift somebody. So it's a nice tour actually. A nice window shopping, you can tell me. We went to another souvenir shop, and here we find some it's a big shop actually from the previous one. So there are t-shirts, there are keychains, there are nameplates and many more. Some natural crystals for locket, bracelets, etc. Yeah, this shop is pretty cool, I think.
This is Texas bullshit.
It's actually a bullshit.
So actually a bullshit. It's little weird, right? There are some skirt.
Spines.
It's cost around $6. This is also very nice.
we came up from the river walk and now we are entering to the Halloween special phase. Oh my god, it was a nice experience for me. And tada! Look at the Miss Katrina model. I'm so excited actually to see all the boobies over there, all the boobies.
Life's a game of
Yes,
dice
yes,
waiting
yes.
your turn.
So no more audio part. Just enjoy the video and see lots of booth and boobies, lots of colors, paintings, etc. etc.
Beats in the air, dreams take flight, but beware, beware. Graffiti tells tales on the subway line. Lost souls searching, trying to redefine. Echoes of struggle in alleys tight, fighting for a moment under neon light. Corners hum with a jazzy groove. Time stands still, it's hard to move. The rhythm of life, fast and slow. Navigate the maze, let the story flow. Bare knuckle truth, raw and unrefined. Every line's a pulse from a vivid mind. Urban poets in the court of kings. Street symphonies when the corner sings. City lights shine, but they never show the truths we hide, the things we don't know. Concrete jungle beats in the air, dreams take flight, but beware, beware.
কোন দিকে যাবো সোজা?
It's 8:30. We are waiting for the bus back to our home.
It was a nice day.
That's nice. First time in downtown San Antonio. It's actually good. It's better than Austin, I feel now.
Don't say like that. Yeah, but it was a Halloween party. Halloween fest was going on, so it was amazing to see all the new rituals and the festival. We don't see this kind of festival in India, so it was a great experience, right?
Yes. Let's see. The bus stops. See you guys. Bye.